Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Aleeza. So today we are going to see what is programming part 2. So in the previous video of what is programming part 1, we covered the point 1 and point 2, which is we will talk about programming and the types of programming. So in this today's video we are going to talk about the point 3 and point 4. Point 3 will talk about the tools for programming and point 4 says about the how to start with it. So let's start the video. We will talk about the tools for programming. There are many tools for programming which you can use for kids such as Scratch, Hopscotch, Tinker, Hack, Alice, RoboMind, Code.org, Thunkable, and etc. Presenting Scratch. So this is the preview of Scratch website, which you can see it can be like this or some other preview also can be there. So Scratch is a programming language and online community which is developed and maintained by lifelong kindergarten group at MIT Media Lab. Scratch is free to use service and it allows your kids to create their own animations, games and stories. Your kids can share their creations with others around the world using the online community of Scratch. Presenting Hopscotch. Hopscotch says that programming is designed for everyone. By using Hopscotch, you can teach the basics of programming to your kids easily. Currently, you can only download the Hopscotch app for free on the iPad. Hopscotch allows your kid to develop their own games, stories, animations, and other many interactive programs by dragging and dropping blocks of code. One can shake, tilt, or even shout at the iPad to control the characters in program. Presenting Tinker. Tinker is an online programming learning system designed to motivate kids to translate their creative ideas into games, projects, and animated stories and circulate their apps on the web. Tinker uses easy visual programming language in which no programming syntax is required but only blocks of codes are together to create programs. There is a fee for lifetime access, but they offer online self paced courses, mobile puzzles, and summer camps as well. Presenting Hackety Hack. Hackety Hack is an easy to use programming tool which can be used to teach the absolute basics of programming. One doesn't need any prior experience of programming before they start working. It is based on Ruby programming language. Ruby is used for development of programs such as desktop applications and websites. It is really easy to build a graphical interfaces using the shoes tools of Hackety Hacks. Presenting Alice. Alice is a free to use 3D programming tool that allows one to create animations for telling a story, playing an interactive or a video to share on the web. The main purpose of Alice is to give your kids basic exposure to object oriented programming. By using Alice, students will learn to create animated movies containing people, animals, and vehicles, and simple video games. Presenting RoboMind. RoboMind is a programming tool for kids which uses its own language called Robo. It is a very simple language which does not require any previous knowledge of programming. The main objective of RoboMind is to move a virtual robot on a two-dimensional grid and perform simple tasks. By using RoboMind, your kids can learn the basics of artificial intelligence, which is also known as AI, and later on even use it on real robotic kits such as Lego Mindstorms NXT 2.0. RoboMind gives a 30 days free trial of their tools. Presenting Thunkable. Whether you are looking to get hands on with no code creation, looking to launch your businesses, or want to extend your existing product to mobile, we can make it easy to build your best apps. The simple drag and drop design canvas and powerful logic blocks allow you to unlock all the benefits of a native mobile and tablet device. Add third party power to your app with our open integrations and connect your own database to create your own customized Android, iOS, and web pages. You might have seen many apps made by Thunkable on my channel, so you can also go through that as a reference. And this is also the Thunkable preview only, but as the coding area of that. Presentingcode.org. This is also you might have seen many times on my channel. So most importantly, teachers don't need computer science degrees to facilitate the coursework, since code.org provides excellent professional development to support teachers. Well produced videos get kids excited about programming and help them understand its significance in the world today. So you can use any website or web page for coding or programming, but the main thing is you should understand it and practice what you have learned. And also the teaching method of that should also be nice and understandable. Point we will 4 then talk about how to start with it. Choose a language and understand the basic fundamentals concepts. A lot of beginners skip the fundamentals and jump directly to the shiny tools and technology, which is not good for them itself. Step to be involved, choose a language and understand the basics fundamental concept. So firstly, choose the programming language you are most comfortable with, like Python or C++ is a good still it depends on your end goal, and understand the syntax and basic concepts, variable, conditionals, operators, loops, etc. Stick with one language. Don't try to learn everything initially. Try to make programs every single day without leaving any gap, even if it's just one or two. Practice, practice, and practice enough. Get your hands dirty in programming, and if it's possible, participate in competitive programming on different websites. You will gain confidence and you will become much better in problem solving. Part 2, learn data structure and algorithms. This is also the same thing, but also learn how to use these data structures and algorithms in real world projects. For example, in web applications, you will find a lot of use of array and strings. Build projects. You retain a lot from tutorials, but it's just going right over the head, and now you are unable to apply all the concepts and logic in your project. Relax. Learn to use some good tools, editors or debuggers to use in your project. Learn how to use developers tool for web applications, the most essential thing to learn. Templates, package or library wherever needed. Remember that there is no perfect code. So avoid over engineering things and move forward. First make it work, then make it right, and finally make it fast. Explore. Explore more. Explore as much as you can in the computer science field. Computer science is a vast and rich field, so analyze what fascinates you the most. And this shows a timeline. Which step 1, choose a language and understand the basic fundamental concepts. Step 2, learn data structure and algorithms. Step 3, build projects. Step 4, explore as much as you can. So if there are any questions, so comment below and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you all liked it. If yes, please hit the bell icon and smash the like button. Subscribe to our channel. See you. Bye.